Hi friends, greetings for the day, and here we are in managePrint. As you can see, the URL manageprint.in, you use in your login as your email ID and password, and we sign in. And today we are going to learn how to make a good job ticket. So this is dashboard. Just below dashboard, the main item. Let me just scroll this up, and here we are in job tickets. If you see these views, jobs in production, job ticket offset, job ticket with passport, job ticket digital. So these are various kinds depending on what is your main process and what kind of jobs you generally do. These are the different views that can be generated for your job ticket. But essentially the data entry form for all these job tickets is the same. So we can go to any section and just click on the plus and we can create a new job ticket. So here we are, jobs in production. So as you can see, this is listing all the jobs for this particular press which are currently in production. That means they have been taken in production, but they are on the production floor. So as you can see, they have 64 job tickets which are on different stages of production. As you can see from the job status, if you see this job status, this job is proceed to production, this is printing done, this is proceed but no paper, and this is stock order done, delivery is pending, and this job is lamination done. These are color coded, these are on hold for any reason. Maybe the artwork is not approved. So one question that a lot of users ask is, when should they create a job ticket? My advice would be, you generate the job ticket as soon as your job is confirmed. Confirmed in the terms of that you are finally getting the order. So it does not matter whether the artwork is not approved or the paper has not come. All those things can be well taken care of through managePrint. So you have a confirmed order, go ahead, just click on the plus and create a job ticket, because then your job ticket will help you track the job to any stage. May it be pending for artwork approval, may it be pending for paper, any missing stock, and once it finally goes to production, you can track what stage it is in. Is it in die cutting, is it in lamination, is it in UV drip off, or whatsoever. This software lets you manage any and all stage just at a click of a button. So our primary concern right now is creating a good job ticket. All these things, job status, updating the managePrint, I will let you know later. Let's for now, let's go through how to create a good job ticket. So we are in jobs in production. Just click on plus. You see this plus here? Okay. Plus means you are adding a job in production. You are taking another job in production. So I have clicked plus, and now I'll select a customer. Obviously, you are making a job for some customer. You're not making it for your home or self-use. So here we select the designer or the job in charge. I have used these terms interchangeably because usually a designer can also be a job in charge. You need to explore. Everyone has his own way of working, but we do advise that designer is an optional job in charge. You not need to give an ownership to somebody. So one job has to be the responsibility of one person. Accountability has to be fixed. So let's say I choose a name here, and let's say we are making a 4 laddu box, and let's say I write laddu box of, let's say, Gopal, and it's 4 pieces and the quantity is 4,000. So here again I am writing the quantity as 4,000. So you say this is a repetition, but yes, in a way it is a repetition, but this quantity, once I give you the reports, will be helpful. Quick view that how much I was printing, 20,000 leaflets, 4,000 boxes. So it essentially helps in that. Now you see this section, basis of job ticket. Now even though this has got practically no relevance in your final job output, but still this color codes the type of the job. So you easily identify what kind of a job I have protect. Let's say your job can be outsourced, you select outsource. You can select only one out of this. And let's say your job is offset come digital, or it is a digital product like a pen or a mug, or it's a screen printing job, or if you are, let's say, a CTP pre-press house, then you can just click on pre-press. If it is your corrugation box, you can go corrugation. And let's say you click on reprint loss jobs. So you also know that how many jobs actually you reprinted. So it, let's say in our current case, I will select offset job ticket. And this is a very, very important section. Now this is called as things I need in my job ticket. You have to be very careful. This is a multi-select field. Means you can select more than one option. Now let's say we are printing a 4 laddu box. Now what do you need first? You obviously need plates. So you click pre-press. Pre-press means your plates. And then of course you have to print the job. Maybe you're having a Komori or a Heidelberg or a Poly or a Dast or a Dominant or any machine on earth. It has to be a printing machine, and it has to be an offset printing machine. If you are printing it on offset, you click this option on. Whether your machine is 1 color or 4 color does not matter. You have to click this option on. Then other options like job passport, I'll take you to a separate view of that. What is a job passport? For now, we are concerned with a plain vanilla offset job. So pre-press, offset printing, and let's say you obviously need post-press in it. Maybe you have lamination. Maybe obviously it's a laddu box, so it's a die cutting, or maybe pasting also, or maybe no pasting. So these three are essential processes. I'll click one more, this job details text field. That helps you fill any kind of text like the take care of quality, the board has to be white finish, now take care of die, the blades were damaged last time, go for new blades, something like that. Any instruction that you want to pass on to production, you can just jot it down here. This is a very friendly section. So anything else you need, maybe if you want to manage paper stocks, then you can click paper out from here. And if you want to manage, you want to check how much stocks you have for that particular papers, you can click on check stocks. Now mind it, whenever you are clicking these buttons, now this job card ticket is taking shape. Now let's say you see this check stocks here. Now let me just switch it off. Now this is gone. It's gone. Now let me switch it on again. Oh, it's back. So similarly, if I switch off pre-press, now you see pre-press is gone. Now I click pre-press, now pre-press is back. So if you rewind the video and see that depending on your selection, these options are switching on and switching off. So you have a complete control over the job ticket. We further go to job ticket and we just mention laddu box. And we write 4000 and we, let's say it's 4 op job, and we fill in there it is on 1823, and the paper type is, let's say, SBS, and the paper is by client or from your stock, and it is 300 GSM, and it is single side printing, it is CMYK, and it's a 4 color job. This error has come because I entered 1+4 here. This field has to be a number field. So I'll just select 4. Now the error will go off. Now it's plate printing, and let's say you have to laminate it gloss, and then you have to die cut, and then you have to paste. I have mentioned all processes here. And in remarks I can write take care of quality. Now this impression section is not for you. This is auto calculated and auto filled. It will capture all data and let you know how well you are doing, how well your press is doing, how many impressions it is producing in a month or a week or whatever time. Let's say 2 plates are old, 2 are new, and this is your designer. You want to save the plate or you want to just discard it immediately and sell it for Raddi. And you click on check stocks, you select your paper, and then you click this button. It will tell you what is the stock of the paper you currently have. And you can obviously do a paper stock out. Use the paper you want to use and just fill in a quantity here. Let's say I'm filling 2000. So it will just fill in and calculate the weight also, and it will affect this is a current live data. So I'm skipping this, and